Welcome back to Auto Hubs, your go-to channel for the latest and most exciting updates from the world of automobiles. If you're passionate about innovation, performance, and futuristic design, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on what's driving the auto world forward. Today we've got something truly special lined up for you. The legend returns. Yes, the 2025 Mazda RX-8 new series has been officially unveiled, and it's everything enthusiasts have been hoping for, and more. This isn't just a facelift or a refresh. Mazda has pulled out all the stops to bring back the rotary-powered icon, blending the heritage of the RX lineup with cutting-edge technology and a bold new direction for the brand. Let's dive straight in. The RX-8 is a name that evokes passion, performance, and uniqueness. When it first arrived in the early 2000s, it was more than just a car. It was a symbol of Mazda's commitment to doing things differently. Now, after years of speculation, rumors, and concept teases, the 2025 RX-8 has officially made its debut, and it's nothing short of a showstopper. From the outside, the new RX-8 is a dramatic reimagination of the classic sports coupe. It retains the signature low-slung profile, aggressive stance, and distinctive four-door layout with rear-hinged freestyle doors. But that's where the similarities end. The front fascia has been completely redesigned, featuring a bold sculpted grille with sharp LED headlights that give it a futuristic yet fierce appearance. The aerodynamics are dialed in with precision. Vents, diffusers, and a seamlessly integrated rear spoiler all serve a purpose, enhancing both performance and visual appeal. Mazda's Kodo design philosophy has clearly evolved, and the RX-8 wears it proudly. With sharper lines, fluid curves, and an unmistakable road presence, this car looks ready to pounce even when standing still. You can immediately tell Mazda has spent time crafting something that honors the past while embracing the future. Under the hood, the real magic happens. As expected, the new RX-8 revives the rotary engine, a core identity of the RX series. But this isn't just a nostalgic gimmick. Mazda has re-engineered the rotary power plant with hybrid technology, creating a next-generation powertrain that offers both performance and efficiency. Dubbed the Renesis 8, the new rotary-hybrid unit delivers an impressive 400 horsepower, making it the most powerful RX-8 to date. But power isn't the only story here. The hybrid integration brings immediate torque delivery, better fuel economy, and reduced emissions, all while preserving that high-revving, unique character that rotary engines are known for. It's a thrilling blend of old-school emotion and new-school engineering. Mazda's engineers have also worked on refining the drivetrain. The RX-8 features a rear-wheel drive layout with a newly developed 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. And for purists, yes, a 6-speed manual option will be available. That's right, driving engagement isn't dead. Mazda is keeping the enthusiast spirit alive and well. Handling, of course, is another area where the RX-8 excels. The car sits on a reworked platform derived from the Mazda large architecture, modified specifically for lower weight and improved rigidity. Weight distribution is nearly perfect at 50-50, and with a sport-tuned suspension, adaptive dampers, and a new electronic limited-slip differential, the driving dynamics are expected to be razor-sharp. Now let's step inside. The interior of the 2025 RX-8 is a massive leap forward. While previous models were fairly minimalist, the new RX-8 goes premium and performance-faked. You get a fully digital 12.3-inch driver display, a wide 14-inch infotainment screen with Mazda's latest operating system, and a heads-up display that projects performance metrics directly onto the windshield. The seats are sculpted, supportive, and covered in Alcantara and leather, with contrast stitching inspired by Japanese craftsmanship. The rotary theme continues subtly throughout the cabin, from the start-stop button to the circular AC vents and even the tachometer design. Connectivity is top-notch too, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and a high-end Bose sound system. But perhaps more importantly, Mazda has kept the interior driver focused. The layout is intuitive, The steering wheel is perfectly weighted and the driving position feels snug, exactly what you want from a proper sports car. In terms of safety and tech, the RX-8 now comes loaded with Mazda's iActive Sense suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and more. It's a car that's not just fast and fun, but also smart and safe. Another big talking point is the RX-8's environmental consciousness. Mazda has developed this car to meet global emission standards while keeping the soul of the rotary engine alive. The hybrid setup, regenerative braking, and lightweight materials all contribute to making the RX-8 a more sustainable performance machine. Now let's talk pricing and availability. While Mazda hasn't officially released all pricing details yet, insiders suggest that the base model will start around $45,000, 0 cents, with higher trims and performance packages pushing closer to $60,000, 0 cents. Production is expected to begin later this year, with delivery starting in early 2025. Pre-orders are already open in select markets, and demand is expected to be high. So who is this car for? Mazda is clearly targeting a new generation of enthusiasts, drivers who appreciate analog emotion but demand digital precision. The RX-8 bridges that gap perfectly. It's a car that respects tradition, but refuses to live in the past. With the 2025 RX-8, Mazda has redefined what a rotary sports car can be in the modern age. It's not just about horsepower or lap times, it's about feeling connected to the road, to the machine, and to a heritage that dares to be different. That's it for today's video. What do you think of the new RX-8? Are you excited to see the rotary return in this hybrid form, or do you miss the old-school simplicity? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe to Auto Hubs for more in-depth reviews, auto news, and future car unveilings. Until next time, stay curious, stay passionate, and keep driving forward.